Howzit TOB Family, welcome to yet another episode on this channel. I would like to thank every member of this family for supporting this channel by watching, liking and sharing the videos. Thank you. I'll need you guys to comment more. I need to know what your thoughts are on these videos or any other video on the playlist. If you're watching this video and you're not part of this family yet, you know the right thing to do. Subscribe. Join us. Well, let's go see what piece of tech we're going to be talking about today. Come on. This is the TWS-4 Wireless Sport. It boasts of an 8-hour battery, pure bass performance, sweat-proof, universal control that is iPhone and Android compatible, a durable build, and lots more. Price of this one, 420 rands. For 420 rands, this is yours. This is it right here. Nothing spectacular about the box, just a charging case with your indicator lights over here. Let's just get into testing this. First of all, let's do a shake test to see how strong the magnet is. Okay, that is not coming out. Okay, that's a very strong magnet. That is very good. Okay, this is right end and the left. Okay, now it's blinking red and blue. I think it's trying to connect. So let's just get straight into connecting this. All right, and right there. Let's pick it up. Let's pair. And pairing took seconds. Wow. Okay, so let's hear what the sounds like. Wow. Oh wow. It's so clear. It's amazing. It's so clear. You could. Wow. That is very impressive. Very impressive. Wow. You should hear this. It's so clear, so wow, and the bass. Oh, it's like having a party in my ears. It's amazing. Whoa. Okay, this is amazing. Wow. Okay, let's test other things. I want to see something. Okay, it's touch sensitive, so let's try something. There's so you touch it once and it plays. And you touch it again and pauses. Okay, that's good. What happens if you long press? Goes to the next song. Okay, this is the right. Yeah, this is the right one. And one more time, long press for. Oh, okay. You long press for 2 seconds and it goes to the next song. Okay, let's see what the left one should do. I think the left one should take it back. Yeah, was right. You long press 2 seconds on the left node and it goes back to the previous song. If you do that to the right, it goes to the next song. That's good. That is good. Okay, what happens when you you tap it twice and it goes straight to your phone calls, like a redial. That is good. That is good. That's excellent. Oh wow. I need to hear this again. I really need to hear. Oh wow, this sound is amazing. This is just one of those products that have no name and nobody knows about them, but they are amazing. I will put this against any other known brand any day. The sound quality is amazing. Okay. What else can I test with these? Wow. Okay, let's see if they work. If I have to use both of them at the same time, or just one at a time if I want to. Okay, put this back in. And wow, this one still works. Wow. Okay. Let's try it with the other one. Let's take this one out. Oh, sorry about that. Let's put this one back in, and let's see if this works too. This has a playtime of 4 hours. That would mean if you use them individually, you get 8 hours from that. I really love this. I think it's something you can actually put it against any other one, even the Apple one, and it'll still, wow, that is great. I'm truly impressed by this. I think this is a goal. This is a huge goal for me. This is one of those brands that they don't really have a name that people know about or people care about, but they actually work very well. I'll put this against any JBL or Apple, against any day. This is amazing. This is really good, and it's comfortable. This is really cool. This is cool. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember, I'd like to know what your thoughts are on this video or any other video on the playlist. So please leave a comment, like, share, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay safe.